A coral reef is made up of more than 900 little coral reefs. Billions of dollars and millions of jobs in over 100 countries around the world. Home to over 1 million diverse aquatic species, including thousands of fish species. The problem: we keep destroying the coral reef by using dynamite on it and blowing it up. The coral reef protects the fish, and now that we are blowing it up, the fish have nowhere to hide from the other fish. We take advantage of the coral reef because we build houses and stuff where we blow it up.
How we will fix it? The less water you use, the lesser runoff and wastewater will pollute our ocean. Support reef-friendly business. Ask the fishing, boating, hotel, aquarium, drive, or snorkeling appropriate. How they protect the reef. Be sure they care for living reef ecosystem and ask if the organization responsible is part of our coral reef ecosystem management effort. Spread the word. Remember your own excitement at learning how important the plants, coral reefs are to us and the intricate global ecosystem. Share this excitement and encourage others to get involved.